Shillong Law College, one of the region's oldest and premier legal institutions, celebrated its 61st Foundation Day today at the college campus. Established as a center of excellence in legal education, the college has produced judges, lawyers, and distinguished legal luminaries over the decades. The program, organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell, was graced by W. Caleb, president of the governing body and an alumnus of the college, who attended as the chief guest. Senior advocate Subhashish Chakraborty, also an alumnus, was the special guest. The event was attended by Secretary D.B. Gurung, Principal Dr. Sharifuddin, members of the governing body, faculty and students. A series of cultural performances added color to the celebration.
And also the president of the governing body at that point of time, Mahan Singh. The area in this in the capital of the state, that is Shillong. And we have really been able to prepare the students for their future career and future good success. Appeal to all of you to pay tribute. I myself, I really pay tribute to the founders who have contributed a lot to innovation and changes. Well, last time when NAC came and also when the Bar Council of India came for inspection, they found that there is lack of innovation.